Hi, it's Fitz with slap chop 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 chop. Hi, it's Fitz with slap chop. You're gonna be in a great mood all day. You're gonna slap your troubles away with a slap. Slap your troubles away with a slap chop. Hi, it's Fitz with slap chop. You're gonna be in a great mood all day. You're gonna slap your troubles away with a slap. Slap your troubles away with a slap chop. Look, here's a potato. One slap, you get big chunks for the stew. Two slaps, don't rise in a second. And look at this. With your add a mushroom, the more you do it, the more you'll get to switch any brains. Now, you love salad, you hate making it. You know you hate making salad, you hate making it. So we don't have any salad in your diet for just one slap salad. Soup, coleslaw, stuff. You want 5 seconds? 4 or 5 seconds, it's done. This thing, this tuna looks boring. Stop having a boring tuna. Stop having a boring life. Add this tuna, make it like this. Now you're gonna have a nice, exciting life. Now here's a hard-boiled egg. One chunk, you add pickle, you add the green. And what you can do, you can mix things together. You add ham, and you're gonna love this. You don't have time to make breakfast. Breakfast to go. Watch this, you're gonna love my nuts. Watch this, you're gonna love my nuts. Watch this, you're gonna watch this. You're gonna watch this. Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Sort of my fruit, fruit mango. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Look at that, this is not beautiful ice cream. The reason you're gonna slap away every day is because it's so easy to clean. 1, 2, and pops open like that. Now these other ones you've seen in the stores, bacteria gets in the food. All the stores have this. You can't clean it. You can't open this up. It's worthless. Forget about it. Now take the slap chop, put it back together. With the slap chop right there. Let's put the slap chop right there. Let's put the slap chop right there. Let's put the slap chop right there. The skin's at the bottom. 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 The skin comes right off. 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 Now put a tomato in there. Add your cilantro, your hot peppers right there. You can hit it like this. Hit it like this. Hit it like this. Hit it like this. Guys, we're gonna make America ski again. One slap at a time. It's guys, we're gonna make America ski again. One slap at a time. It's guys, we're one ski again. One slap at a one slap at a guys, we're one ski again. One slap at a one slap at a guys, we're one ski again. One slap at a one slap at a guys, we're one slap at a tap at a slap. Lions bitch with slap chop. You're gonna be in a great mood all day. You're gonna slap your troubles away with a slap. Slap your troubles away with a slap chop. Lions bitch with slap chop. You're gonna be in a great mood all day. You're gonna slap your troubles away with a slap. Slap your troubles away with a slap chop.
It's easy. You just got one hand and chop, 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 chop.
Watch this. Tacos, fettuccine, linguine, martini, bikini.